Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're looking at the best dorm over fridge storage solution available. The Threehoney 2-tier mini fridge shelf. This stand is specially designed to maximize your limited space by combining storage and appliance placement in one smart, compact unit. Measuring 18 inches deep, 24 inches wide, and 52 inches high, this storage rack is the perfect fit for dorm rooms, small apartments, offices, or any tight living space where efficiency is key. Its industrial-style design in sleek black metal adds a modern touch while remaining sturdy and durable thanks to its carbon steel construction and welded framework. One of the most practical features of this shelf is its adjustable height. The set comes with 2 shelves and 12 metal poles of varying lengths that you assemble into 4 poles of equal size. You can then adjust the spacing of the shelves according to your needs, allowing you to create custom storage levels. The open bottom is specifically sized to fit a compact mini refrigerator, turning wasted space above your fridge into functional storage or a place for your microwave. Assembly is straightforward and quick, requiring only a few minutes and no special tools. The kit includes all necessary hardware along with adjustable feet, ensuring the rack remains level even on uneven floors. Its freestanding design means no mounting is required, giving you flexibility to place it wherever you need extra storage. Durability is a highlight here. The solid metal build withstands daily wear and tear, promising long-term use whether in a dorm, kitchen, bedroom, or office. Plus, when you don't need it, the rack can be easily disassembled and stored compactly, a handy feature for those who move frequently. With its 2-tier design, adjustable shelves, and open space for a mini fridge, this Threehoney rack helps you save valuable room while keeping your essentials organized and accessible. It's the perfect space saver for anyone looking to declutter and make the most out of their living or work environment. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're searching for a reliable, flexible, and space-efficient over-fridge storage solution, the Threehoney 2-tier mini fridge shelf is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product reviews and recommendations. See you next time.